let's loop through this thing 14 times, or 15 times. We'll add a point. We'll add one to our, we'll call this like a counter type variable. And if this point is less than or 10, let's store that point. Else, let's reset, and then we'll store points again when it becomes reset to say another 5, for example. So we want to add, if we were wanting to actually do this within this statement, we want to add some ArcGIS processing or a function that stores points. So we can say here, print start a new point file. Does this make sense? So we can run this. So we'll store point 0 all the way through 9. So we stored our 10 points. And then we stored a new file, and we stored 11, 12, 13, and 14 in that point. So this can be useful. We'll get into LiDAR data later. LiDAR data is very, very dense set of X, Y, Z points that can contain millions or billions of points. So if we wanted to create a shapefile from that LiDAR data, we obviously wouldn't want 1 billion points into one single shapefile because that's just kind of crazy. So we could generate some loop like this that says, okay, once we reach 100,000 points, stop, create a new file, store the next 1,000 points or 10,000 points, whatever you want, and we can iterate that through. Instead of going into ArcGIS manually and doing that, say if you have 1 billion points and you're storing every 1,000 points, then you're going to end up having to do that